Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and even with a new car, you could find yourself with a drained battery or a low tire. So having a combination jump starter and air compressor like this one from Kalyoosen can really save the day. For both safety and convenience, this jump starter also has a 4,000 lumen light, which can be used to see what you're doing or to notify others of your presence on the side of the road or something similar. With its 8,000 amp rating, it can save the day for someone with even a larger engine too. Unlike jumper cables, it also provides 8 protection features that protect both your car and the jumper battery itself. What's great is it's also an air compressor for keeping your tires up to pressure or filling up air-filled recreational gear on the go. This would be great for someone with an inflatable kayak or similar, which can really save space on transport. What's really nice is that it runs off its internal battery, so you're not limited by a cord connected to your 12-volt jack or to a wall jack, which makes it completely portable. That battery also has a 32,000 milliamp hour capacity, so you can also use it to charge USB devices. Along with this jump starter, we also keep an old phone as an emergency, and it's normally dead since we don't use it a lot. But coupled with this, we could always charge it so we could dial 911 in a pinch, even if we lost our main cell phone. So with a large capacity battery to charge devices, a flashlight, a jump starter, and an air compressor, this jump starter by Kalyoosen is an essential for any vehicle in times of need. And that's my point of view.